Hey, what's going on? I'm gonna try another product for you guys today on the wheels. I'm trying to find the best wheel and tire cleaner for my setup. Today, we're gonna try one that Sonax. You can really only order it, you can't really pick it up in stores. It's from Germany. I wanted to try this for the longest time and I never have. A little scared to use it because it's quite strong. So, and my car's not that dirty, as you can see. Dirty enough. So we're gonna give it a go real quick and see what we think about it. Here we go. So, didn't read the directions. It says apply to a cool, dry wheel. So luckily I have one more wheel to do still. We're gonna try it wet. Hopefully it kind of dilutes it down a little bit. It's probably all we'll do. And then we're gonna try it on a wet wheel, and then I'll try it on a dry wheel. So let's try it out here on a wet wheel first. The foaming on it is amazing. Foams so well. Holy cow. Right, there it is. And it turns purple. It says allow the cleaner to work for 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, so it says 3 to 5 minutes. So you can see here it's turning purple. Rotors. Not really much of anywhere else, but definitely on my rotors. I can't wait 3 to 5 minutes. These wheels are way too expensive for that. So we've waited about a minute. We're gonna do it now. But we will start with the tire just to give it some more time to do its thing. Bad part is that this stuff works good. I gotta order it all the time. You can't just walk into the store and buy it. That's the only bad thing. All right, so 100% is working. Get in there, get in there. Now I like to come back with this. And we're just gonna get it in here too. Let's rinse. That looks good already. I haven't even grinded yet. And it says to mainly aid with to rinse the wheel and brake system thoroughly with strong jet of water or high pressure, which we did. So we're going to dry it off now and see what she looks like. Yeah guys, check that out. That is a clean wheel. Very nice. All right, guys, again, that was the Sonax. Yes, amazing, actually. Shocked. Can't believe I waited that long to use it. All right, guys, like the video and subscribe. Please subscribe, don't forget, and like the video. Thanks, guys. See ya.